Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a clog review and an unboxing of the SALEHE BEMBURY CROCS POLLEX. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and I'm really excited to review these SALEHE BEMBURY Crocs, because if you know me, I'm a big fan of the designer SALEHE BEMBURY and what he's done with the Crocs line, what he's done with tons of lines. So he's brands like Anta, Crocs, obviously, New Balance, Versace. He's worked on the Yeezy line for Yeezy Season 3. He's one of the best designers there are at the minute. And if you're watching this SALEHE, keep up the great work, man. I'm so excited because I was able to get a pair of the Crocs and the newest colorway. It is orange sorbet on the label here, but it was advertised as cobbler. So we got these in a UK size 7, and it's a European 41 to 42, and it's a men's US size 8. These clogs are unisex, so I will say the women's sizing. So the women's UK size is a women's 8, and it's a US women's size 10 as well. So unlike the Crocs green boxes, or you might get Crocs just in a plastic bag, this comes in a brown box. Unfortunately, the first drops of the Pollex, if I remember correctly, they came out with this transparent, it was like a new toy. So you had that, there was, well, I totally forgot, there was a crocodile green colorway, I believe. Or was that might have been the color after actually, but the first drops of the ever so popular Pollex came out. This is like the third drops in color. Alongside it, there was a black version as well, but really and truly I tried to get the colorways before, wasn't able to, but seeing that they released the orange one, I had to get it because I'm a big fan of the color orange. That's just a personal note that none of you guys would care, but here, let's open them. Here they are. Very unique in design. It's gonna draw loads of attention. Obviously, you guys can just see it by looking at it. But we'll start with the outsole. So this is very different to, you know, your typical Croc. You've got, again, so essentially, for those that don't know, Crocs are an EVA molded clog. This essentially is the same materials in regards to the main body, but you can obviously see the darker orange coloring here, and that's just rubber, so it's more traction. You're gonna get more traction at the top and at the heel here, and it kind of extends to the tops where your big toe would be, right there. So why it's shaped in this fashion is because it's designed after a fingerprint, so it looks like a fingerprint when you look at it right there. And this orange, so the orange is known as orange sorbet or cobbler. I mean, that's what it was shown as on Crocs' Instagram and on SALEHE BEMBURY's Instagram also. And what's really different as well is essentially that, I mean, even though it is a clog, when I think of clogs, I do think of, you know, clog mules, so it's without the back heel here, but there is the back heel because it's essentially a normal clog. So normal clogs are those, you know, the Amsterdam Dutch. You've seen it before, it's the easy slip-ons, and obviously this is an easy slip-on. And you've got the kind of like the sport strap at the back if you want to go to your sport level. But I don't see loads of people wearing their SALEHE BEMBURY Pollex Crocs like that, you know, because there's two ways to wear Crocs. You've got the sport mode and you've got your leisure mode, and essentially this is always going to be in sport mode with the strap at the back. And this is taken from the sport, I think it's like a hiker clog from Crocs. I forgot the actual model's name, but it's the same strap used there. It's obviously in this orange sorbet colorway. So The main reason why I like orange, for those that don't know, is because of Frank Ocean. You know, Channel Orange. He has a black, no, not black. He has an orange BMW E30 M3 on Nostalgia Ultra. So yeah, it just resonates with myself. Talking about that strap again, so you got the Crocs logo there and SALEHE Bembury on the bottom. And on the insole, I mean, essentially, as I mentioned before, it's an all EVA mold, so it's all plastics. And you got the Crocs SALEHE Bembury right there, and you got some like orthopedic beads. So if you haven't worn Crocs before, you're gonna expect like these beads, like similar to the driving seat ones that are on the back. It's gonna be there for your underside of your feet. Really good support system. Crocs are really comfortable. I mean, we've done a couple of Crocs reviews here, and so if you want to check out an OG white clog review, we've got one, so check that out. And I've been wearing Crocs ever since that review. Love them. Obviously, this is a hyped version of Crocs. I mean, I love what Crocs are doing now. Loads of people are about that comfortable life. They're about that comfy kings vibe, comfy queens vibes, and we've got, you know, bright IG accounts like the Mule Boys pushing that fashion forward, which is really dope to see. I'm really excited to try these on. I'm a bit weary because I've heard about a lot of sizing issues in regards to the fit. So I do feel like this is going to be tiny bit big for me, because I've heard loads of people say get them a size down, but I'm going to be wearing these with socks and I'm going to be sporting them outside. So all that said, again, great job SALEHE Bembury. I hope there's more colorways coming soon, and honestly, continue the great work, my man. You're an inspiration. Let's try these on. Roll that footage of me trying these Pollexes on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a size down to what you usually wear for Crocs. I was expecting these to be the same as my original Crocs clog. However, they're feel a bit wider. I do intend to wear these with thick socks. However, I'm going to be going well out my way wearing these, and they look pretty dope on, very unique. Again, SALEHE Bembury, you've done a great job. If you're wondering how comfortable they are, they feel just like another pair of Crocs. However, just a bit wider, as I mentioned beforehand. All that said, again, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.